I'm going to be showing you a funnel builder that can upload font. So if you're looking for a funnel builder tool that has customized fonts and everything like that, or you want to be able to upload your special fonts to that funnel builder, stay tuned in this video. If you're new to this playlist, what I do is I do tiny consumable tutorial videos for the #1 funnel builder in the world, in my opinion, that I think most people can use and I think can save a ton of people a ton of money. And I'm going to jump right into it because the whole goal of me doing these tutorials is to keep it short, and I'm going to get right into it. So the first thing you want to do, or I suggest that you do if you want to get this tool, and by the way guys, all of the information for grabbing this tool, if you want to get this, it'll be in the description below. And keep in mind, I'm only talking about a small portion of what this funnel builder can do. We're going to be talking about the fonts today. So what you want to do if you grab this funnel builder tool is you want to look and see if they already have the font that you're looking for. So let me just discard my changes. So if I'm here in my funnel builder tool, I want to click on the global styling and I want to click on add fonts. And here is where I can add fonts that's already in the system. So you can literally scroll down if you want to just glance at some things, or you can type in the exact font that you're going to want to use. Now, I have to check with the owners to make sure that this is what I think it is, because I tried to find a lot of Google fonts in here and I was able to find it. So it was almost like, oh, maybe this is full of Google fonts. I don't know. But I finally went to Google and found some custom fonts. So this is Halloween font that is not inside of our builder. At least I don't think it is. Okay. Hopefully it's not. And if you want to find fonts, you could just Google custom fonts or something like that, and it'll bring up some platforms. Google Fonts is one of the ones that I trusted. So I'll just go ahead and use this, and I'm going to make sure that this is not inside of the system. I really hope it isn't, or I might have to pause it and find one that's not in here. Let's see. So I'll go here and I'll type in creeps. Creepster is in here. Let's see here. Eater, Henny, Penny. Let's see. Eater, Henny, Penny is probably in here too. All right. So I am almost certain that this is Google font heavy, meaning probably most of the Google fonts are in here. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come right back. All right, so I could not find a font that was not already in the system. So I broke down and Googled custom fonts, found this place called FontSpace, and I probably should have made sure it wasn't in the system before I came to download. But let's go ahead and try to look for Cassandra in the system here. But as you can see, you have a lot to choose from inside of the system alone, but Cassandra is not in here. So this is the first time I'm gonna use this. And I really like using trustworthy websites. Hopefully this is a well-known website. I'm going to go ahead and download that font. Look like it downloaded as a zip file. I'll go ahead and look in here. And so it downloaded as a TTF file. So let me go back to the builder. And so say for instance, you come to look for a certain font. You can't find it. You download it, and then now you're back here to upload the custom font. You just click here, and then it was a TTF file. So let me click here, and I created a page in here, a folder actually. So if you make sure you want to organize your stuff, so you might want to add a folder here. So you just simply click add folder, so you can put fonts in there so you can know where to go search for your fonts. And then I'll go ahead and upload from here. I'm going to drop the file here, and it looks like I have the Cassandra TTF file here. So the green check mark, I just click on that to make sure I have it, and I hit select, and then I hit add up. You have to name it. So we'll name her Cassandra, just like her font is. Cassandra. If I could type add, and now you can see that she's down here. So I didn't show you, so hopefully I'm able to show you on the back end. Typically, let's save changes. Typically when you add the font, you want to refresh this page to make sure you can grab that font. So usually if you don't refresh the page, you won't get it, but let's see, it's already added. So you don't have to refresh the page anymore, which is pretty cool. But now you can see Cassandra here. You'll see all of the fonts that you have available to you here. And if you want to add a font, you can go back there and add it the way we just did. And it used to be that you would have to tell it to come on over here. But it looks like they actually added more fonts here, which is pretty cool. So let's see if Cassandra works here, and there's Cassandra, and then you can mess with the font size and all of that good stuff. I just wanted to show you how to customize your fonts. Really simple. Here you go. And that's it for the fonts. You literally have a ton of things that you can do with this builder. This is just one of them. One of my absolutely the favorite funnel builder tool in the world. And if you don't have this funnel builder tool and you want to start building pages like a pro, building very professional pages really easily, customizable and all of that stuff, even using the templates for a low affordable cost, and also get support that you need for this funnel builder, definitely look at the link at the description of this video, and I will see you on the next one.